The Agricultural Heritage Center preserves and shares Boulder County's history and farming roots with visitors. This 10-acre historic site is nestled on 465 acres of protected agricultural open space in Longmont. We depend on the invaluable support of volunteers for operations and programs. We offer various seasonal opportunities that can extend throughout the entire season from March to November. Comprehensive training is provided to all volunteers for these roles. The volunteering opportunities include maintaining a World War I era heirloom garden. The Agricultural Heritage Center cultivates a diverse array of heirloom fruits, vegetables, and herbs in its garden. This garden serves as a living testament to the values of self-sufficiency and fosters a connection between visitors and the food they consume. Throughout the season, volunteers take part in planning, planting, weeding, and harvesting the garden. Livestock care. Livestock play a crucial role in enriching the narratives of farming life at the Agricultural Heritage Center. Our animals, which include chickens, goats, sheep, pigs, cows, horses, and miniature mules or donkeys, help bring the history of farming to life. Our dedicated volunteer team takes care of feeding and watering the livestock twice daily from late March to early November. Guided tours. The Agricultural Heritage Center is a well-loved destination for elementary school field trips and various organized group visits. Guided tours make a significant impact on the visitor's experience, and our volunteers play a crucial role in conveying history in a meaningful and engaging manner. Special projects and event support. If you possess a unique skill relevant to the activities at the Agricultural Heritage Center, we welcome your expertise. Examples of special projects include woodworking, managing artifact collections, blacksmithing, food processing, working with textiles and fibers, and other craft-based skills. Additionally, we can always use support during special events in various roles and functions. Are you prepared to join this exciting program and be a part of our mission to share local history in a meaningful, captivating, and immersive manner? If so, reach out and join our growing family of volunteers.